if you are still confident that Wall Street is going to pick up the baton from the middle class, because recently the dip that we've seen in prices has a lot of people in sort of pop culture thinking that this could be the end for Bitcoin.
Yeah, so well, the dip that you're talking about is actually nothing new for Bitcoin. As far as percentage terms go, if we look at it historically, we've seen these type of pullbacks before. And definitely Wall Street is getting involved, and they're building the bridges as we speak. Whether they're going to go full-on bull, full-on bear, we don't know. But the important thing is that they're ready to take on and to inject new liquidity into this market, which at least should even things out and stabilize the price.
It does seem like they built a lot of those bridges and sort of opened the gates right as the price collapsed. So we were at, what, $17,000, $18,000, $19,000 in December. You got the CME, CBOE futures contract open. You got everybody start, Novogratz has his fund running. Goldman's talking about opening a trading desk. And all of a sudden we're down to 7,000. 6,000 and change. I mean, we're basically at the mining cost right now, aren't we?
Yeah. So they were trying very hard. Wall Street was trying very hard to catch that bull run, but it seems they did miss the party. November was a very interesting time. I mean, in eToro we had a lot of customers coming in to get their account open, buy Bitcoin as soon as they could. And I imagine that the clients in the Wall Street banks also wanted to get in on that party. But as you said, the CBOE, CME came in late December, right at the peak.
Guy?
So this is a really interesting concept because the market did tank as soon as the futures basically opened up. And I'm pretty sure some people on Wall Street made a lot of money. And now Bitcoin's price is starting to stabilize. We're at 8,000. And my question is, they made all their money on the short. Now you had an opportunity to buy Bitcoin below the 200 moving day average, which was below 7,000. Are they now going to pump the price? And I think yes. And it may not be right now. If you have watched this channel, I do still feel like this could be a bear trap, and we could actually go below the 6,000 point for Bitcoin. But long term, I do see this year ETFs and custodian accounts being able to be set up where Wall Street can actually, instead of shorting it and making money on shorts, and they probably will also go long on the futures contract, but that will be, and it's funny, I've actually referred to this a couple times, but that will be the Bitcoin Jesus, is the ability for an ETF and for managed funds to come in, because unfortunately millennials are in cryptocurrency, but baby boomers have no idea how to set up a wallet. Even Coinbase is very difficult for some baby boomers to use. So, or Robinhood. You don't pay fees with Robinhood, so I actually recommend that if you're not making big transactions. But anyway, so I do see that we're going to have a major bull run, and I don't know when that's going to happen, but when that news breaks, that's when I am going to be putting in more. I mean, I preach dollar cost averaging, and that's what I've been doing, but I will even put in more money. Even if we don't hit the lows too, I will be less worried about a bear market once we get the regulations and we do allow liquidity and Wall Street to dump their money into the market. So let me know what you guys think about this, but I think that's the key sign. And like I said, I'm glad that the price has gone up, but I wouldn't be surprised if we have another correction and we actually go below the $250 billion market cap. I hope it doesn't happen, but if it does happen, I wouldn't be surprised. But once they do release those regulations, I think the fortunes will change. So let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon.